The balance sheet in Zoho Books provides a snapshot of your business's financial position, assets, liabilities, and equity as of a specific date, not a range. Use trial balance for period-based views. Steps: log in to your Zoho Books account. From the left sidebar, click Reports or All Reports in some views. Under Business Overview or Financial Statements, select Balance Sheet. Choose the As of Date, defaults to current date. Adjust for historical views. Apply filters, select basis, accrual or cash. Compare with previous period or year. Add reporting tags, branches, or departments for segmented views. Click Run, Report, or Refresh to generate. Customize further. Click the Customize icon, top right, to add columns, change layout, or group accounts. View details. Drill down into accounts for transactions. Export and print. Click Export, PDF, Excel, CSV, or Print for sharing.